Okay, tell me about making a smoothie. Here. Tell me about making a smoothie.
You just put the milk in, then you put the yogurt in, and then you push the button.
What about some fruit?
Oh yeah, strawberries and raspberries.
And what else?
Kiwi.
Kiwi? What about one of these?
Oh, bananas and kiwi.
Okay, what happens when all that's in there? Then what do you do?
Push the button.
And what does it do?
It makes loud noises.
Hey, you don't want to eat that kiwi without peeling it, right? Yeah, let's...
Popping. I'm going to make them.
Okay, so then what happens when when all the noise stops? What happens when the noise stops?
Be ready.
It's ready? And then what do you do?
Can you tell me?
What do you do when your smoothie's ready?
Can you tell me?
Do you pour it into a cup?
No.
No? Do you make it into a popsicle? Don't eat the kiwi, turkey.
I'm going to make them.
You're going to make them? Okay. Well, I would like to peel the kiwi before we eat them. How about that?
Pop down and pop light.